What's up guys, it's F30 Street Scenes and welcome to my channel.
They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I'm
What the fuck?
This video is just about my exhaust system, Ford Test, Eco, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. Now, I never knew my car can backfire like that. I've never recorded it, I never tried it, never attempted it. I have revved it here and there, but I never had anybody in the back recording. But I'm glad I did, because now I got the real footage. So anyways, what my car has is an MHD Stage 2 Plus, catless downpipe, charge pipe, muffler delete, and resonator delete. Now, I can also make another video if you want to see my complete system underneath. Basically, I want to just break it down to you guys that I'm just starting my channel. I'm new to this, I want to upload as much as I can, and follow my Instagram page, BMW _F30, FDIRTY. Give me a follow, give me some likes, and subscribe my channel for some more videos and for some more content. A lot of DUIs. And a lot of mods coming.